morning mga sir, it's your boy Madapaka sana. For today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano ba mag-edit ng mga PDF file through online sa pinakamadaling paraan. So, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Madapaka sana. Let's start! So, ito yung laptop natin. So, first, punta tayo sa browser and then type lang natin dyan as wait, it's not responding. So type natin dyan PDF editor online. So yan, basically kasi lagi ako nag-edit ng PDF file, lalong na sa time card. So put tayo dito PDF editor online, and then may mga choices dyan. So, ang pinaka the best guys is piliin itong PDF escape.com. So, this is the one. Ito yung piliin nyo. And like and then kung gusto nyo siyang gamitin through desktop guys, kung pwede nyo siyang i-install like application siya, or kung regular naman yung stable naman yung internet nyo, you can also use free online. So ito yung ginagamit ko, free online. So after nyo yun, ayan. So wait, what happened? So let's back again. Yan. So yan, you have to create new PDF. You can also create or upload or internet. Then like pag nag-edit kayo guys, punta lang kayo dito sa upload. Kung may PDF file na kayo, i-upload nyo lang. Yan, choose file nyo lang. Pagka-choose file niya, ayan, mag-open ang isang para makapag-upload kayo. So, piliin nyo lang yung file nyo. Halimbawa, may file ako dito, like my DTR or time card. So, yan. Like, search natin dito timesheet. Time, yan, this one, and then open nyo lang, click open. Nagpa-process na siya, nag-upload. So, yan. Ayan na siya. Pwede nyo siyang i-edit guys. Like, sample. Buka nakaganyan yan siya. Iba yung pagka-position niya. Pwede nyo siyang i-rotate. Like, rotate left. Yan, like that one. And then, scroll. Then you can add text. Either insert text, image, or you can put a signature. So in like text, like this one, blah 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 blah, yan. Or I can edit that one. So if you are just click text and then click the side where you put your name, or where you put the information, like that one. So that's all guys, thank you for watching, and bye bye.